So you wake up in the morning, Abna, this is your stomach, flat, very beautiful. Throughout the same day in the evening, follow me. This is now your stomach. See if you are pregnant, your stomach is bloated. And when Dr. Leon asks you, you'll be like, oh, I just ate, I just took in something, blah, 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 blah. What if I told you that it is not just the food? What if I tell you that there is something that you are doing right now? You that you are watching, there is something that you are going through right now that is causing this, your small stomach, to be like this. What's this? Why don't you subscribe, have a seat, and let me show you why you keep having this bloated stomach, even though you think you are not eating much. So the very first thing that is causing you to get this bloating is that, but before that, let me explain this bloating thing. You see, when digestion slows down, whenever you eat, the body has to digest the food. When digestion slows down, the food will stay longer in your stomach or in your intestines. And when that happens, there are these bacteria, these small bacteria. They will eat on the food. They will ferment the food and they will produce gases, air. So this air will continue to build in your stomach. That will cause you to have this bloated stomach and you don't really understand. So the very first thing is stress. Yes, let me explain. You see, when you are stressed, your body will try to protect you, will try to fight for you because you are stressed. So what the body will do is that, okay, let's put a stop to digestion. Let's focus on your stress. So your body will slow down digestion because you are stressed. And then the food will stay in your body for that long. And that will cause the bacteria to act on them. Gases will build. And now, a bloated stomach. But 2 is something that you are doing right now, Abena. I know right now your food is in front of you. And then you are eating so fast. Nyom, 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 nyom. You are talking plenty. As if you are a mosquito. When you get that drink too, you are sipping with a straw. So these 3 things, if you eat so fast, if you talk when you are eating, or if you take in your drink with straw, it causes air. So whilst you are eating, whilst you are drinking with straw, air will pass through into your mouth and get to your stomach. And then you realize that after eating now, you are having this big stomach and then you will be complaining. So please, when you get your food, take your time and chew. Don't talk, okay? It's very simple with all those 3 things that I've said. Also, don't eat at night. I mean, your evening meal should be around 5 p.m. Latest by 6 p.m. You are done. You are off to bed. And that is why you keep getting bloated stomach. I'm out.